If you guys have been on YouTube or TikTok, then you've probably seen people with loads of AirPods and AirPods Maxes, and of course, loads of cash, who claim to be doing the reselling method. The reselling method is one of the biggest opportunities you can take advantage of right now, but all the people who claim to be doing the reselling method usually don't explain how they actually do it, leaving you constantly wondering how to actually get started and what to do after you begin. I literally share all the information with you guys that no one else will because most people are just simply gatekeeping. For example, if we go onto my Discord server and click on the results section, you guys can clearly see that these are all the people sharing their results and their sales while reselling items such as AirPods. If you're watching this video, then you're probably familiar with the regular AirPod reselling method. But what most people don't even consider is that you can actually resell one-of-one AirPods Maxes for a profit. AirPods Maxes are like the next step of your reselling journey. If you guys haven't tried buying one of these one-of-one AirPods and you're still skeptical, even though I showed you guys my Discord with people buying AirPods from my supplier, check the link in the description, then for more proof, I'll be unboxing and trying out AirPod Maxes and AirPods Pros in this video, so you can actually see them for yourself. People tend to be always surprised by the quality and that they actually look and perform just like the real AirPods. This listing of AirPods Maxes is no different from the regular AirPods. Since it's a step above, I'll show you exactly how to get started in my Discord. A lot of people actually charge money for this online, but I give it out completely for free. If you click the link down below in the description, it will bring you right to my personal supplier. Guys, for those of you who are serious about AirPod Max reselling and want to maximize your profits, it's a good idea to utilize my Discord to learn the skills you need to resell your product. If you want to get into AirPods Max reselling, I suggest ordering multiples, as people normally end up buying more later down the line. The seller also gives free shipping, which is a great benefit. I've seen some very bad AirPod Maxes from sellers online, or links to vendors like DHgate. That's why I'm happy I found this vendor, because they provide very good quality. The noise cancellation, sound quality, and overall design are identical to the originals. For those wondering, on the Apple website, these AirPods Maxes cost around $750, which is a lot of money. Apple charges that amount because it's considered a premium product. However, we're actually lucky that we can get these AirPods for literally almost 60% off the price. This is why we can make such a good profit selling these, even while letting the customer know that they're one of one. And since the price difference is so drastic compared with the originals, we can make an even bigger profit than with regular AirPods. Okay, so let's get into it. The AirPod box looks and feels super clean, just like the original. The box is shrink wrapped, just like the real ones. And for those wondering, the AirPods Max don't come with the green peel at the back. The outside of the box looks and feels one of one, which is very, very nice. The peel has a tab at the top and is, of course, extremely satisfying to remove. Overall, everything looks very well done so far. The Apple logo is premium, and the AirPod Max visual is also very nice. Now let's take a look at the AirPods themselves. I personally wouldn't be able to tell that they're not original. They actually look incredible, and I'm honestly very impressed with the quality. It's crazy to think that I'm holding something so expensive that I only paid approximately 12% of the actual price for. Everything about these AirPods Maxes looks extremely good and premium. The cushioning is also very nice, and the headphones come with all the required buttons and charging ports. They adjust to fit any head size, and the cushioning is magnetic, making it feel secure as it snaps back into place. The cushion also have the right and left imprints, which helps you identify the correct placement. The text is one of one quality. Once you pair the AirPod Maxes through Bluetooth, they appear as AirPod Maxes, just like the originals. Once connected, your phone recognizes them as AirPod Maxes and shows essentials like battery percentage. Noise cancellation along with transparency mode, both features are a great selling point, and once you start playing something, you can also enable spatial audio. You can adjust the volume using the digital crown on the headphones. The sound quality is incredible, nothing like the cheap headsets from China. These AirPod Maxes deliver clean, high-quality audio. You can also access all the necessary settings for the AirPod Maxes, and surprisingly, Apple recognizes them as genuine AirPod Maxes. Features like Find My iPhone even work, allowing you to track these if lost. They also show firmware details and redirect to the Apple website for more information. And guys, what's even more surprising is that they come with a limited warranty. So if you enter the serial number on Apple's website, it shows up as the AirPod Max with valid warranty coverage. Once you buy these AirPods, it's time to start making money. Reselling involves buying these AirPods and selling them for a profit on platforms like Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, Kijiji, Mercari, and more, depending on where you live. Please, please, please make sure to let buyers know that these are not originals, as this is ethical and avoids potential trouble. But highlight features such as the working serial number, Bluetooth connectivity, and other impressive qualities to persuade buyers. A good price to sell these one-of-one AirPods Maxes is anywhere from like $250 to $350, depending on your location and local market competition. This allows you to make a profit of around $150 to $250 per sale, which is actually an amazing margin. When listing your AirPod Maxes, avoid using certain words that go against platform policies. Instead, use terms like rep method or X authentic X in your listings. I explain these methods in my Discord. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more tips and insights, please join my Discord, and I'll see you in the next video.